Dongguan Fengzhan Electronic Technology Co., Limited is a high-tech company that independently develops, produces, and sells electronic wires and cable harnesses. With 12 years of production experience, we can provide customers with solutions. It has a modern production base of 1,800 square meters, a professional team of more than 45 people. With advanced production equipment and testing equipment, it guarantees customers' demand for quantity and quality, and has been recognized and praised by our customers. There are fully automatic single and termination machines, full automatic double and termination machines, semi-automatic stripping and semi-automatic termination machines, fully automatic computerized wire cutting machines, material dryer, pneumatic stripper, cable coiling machine, wire sequence detector, for wire integrated testing machine, etc., and injection molding machine. It can produce USB cables, DC cables, etc. This is the handmade part. Workers will insert terminal wires into connectors, or put heat shrink tubing over wires. A visual inspection will also be performed. Our markets include United States, Canada, Europe, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America, etc. Under the leadership of senior leaders, the company continuously improves various mechanisms, safeguards the interests of customers, and achieves win-win cooperation between both parties. In order to cooperate with more electronic and electrical products companies, to open up the international market, our wire materials have passed the American UL certification and meet the environmental protection requirements of rules PAHS, CPSIA, PHTHALATE, and SVHC. Dongguan Fengzhan Electronic Technology Co., Limited will wholeheartedly provide customers with high-quality products and services. Thank you.